Yo, 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 another day, another adventure with your homeboy, Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. It is 6:50 a.m. I'm headed to a hotel to pick up a passenger. Cross my fingers that they're going to the airport. It's raining, there's lots of rain in the forecast today, so it looks like I'll be out here grinding with Uber. Yo, let's get this video started. I guess I'm getting the morning started off at the airport. Let's head back to the city, make some more money. Lots of rain, man, lots of rain. That last trip was $27.94. How long did that last for? $34 minutes and 35 seconds? Huh. Back in the city now from driving up from the airport, and I cut the app off because I didn't want to pick up anyone south of San Francisco because I didn't want to get sent like super far away, because I only booked this car for what, 2.5 hours. I believe I will extend just because it's pretty busy. I think I will extend until the streets dry. There's no more rain coming down right now, but the streets are still pretty damp. No skating on damp streets. To pick up another request. This is a scheduled pickup, so hopefully this passenger wants to go to the airport. It's a 1.6 surge, and that's not bad. That's not bad. So let's go pick up this passenger real quick. Just dropped off passenger number 2. I have to pick up passenger number 3. I need to complete 5 more trips for like a $35 bonus, and I'm almost there. Right now it's almost 9 o'clock. I have to return the get around car back before 9:15, and I need to stop and get gas too. But instead I just extended for another hour. 9 a.m. right now, and I'm supposed to turn the get around rental car back in at 9:15, and before I turn the car back in I have to like refill the gas and all that. I just extended for another hour on the way to pick up another Uber X pickup, and this one is a 2X, and we'll see how this one goes. I think this is pickup number 4. I need to do 1 more after this pickup, and I'll be at 15 pickups for the week, and I'll get an extra bonus. It got me in financial district now. Where am I at? Where am I at on the trips? Oh, 3 trips processing. Let's do a force close. Uber. Okay, where are we now? Okay, 131. But what about today? Oh, $63 for this morning. Not bad. 1 hour and 36 minutes. Back at the airport again. Now this ride was a non-surge ride, so I'm eager to see what was the payout. The last trip was $24.72. It's so very interesting. That last trip was like what, $24, and that was a no surge. And I did another trip before. It was a 1.3 surge, and it was only $27. Huh, something's not right with that. Yes, the city is red, man. Back downtown now, and thought I would grab a bite to eat, but I am just sitting in so much traffic right now. There's so much freaking traffic. I'll make it. Oasis is just right over here. I'll grab a quick bite, and then I'll just get back out and start back to driving. Yeah, that's what I'll do. But the rain's back. Yeah, so there's more rain. Streets are completely wet again. That's okay. Getting ready to drop the rental car off and fill out the gas tank again. And yesterday I put like $4 worth of gas in the tank. Today it's more like $25 worth of gas. Yes, 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 out of the rental car. Back out on these streets, and the streets are dry. I'm stoked, yo. been one of those days. So earlier this morning when I went over to the Get Around rental car, the first thing I was thinking of, yo, let's knock out 5 deliveries. Let's do 5 deliveries this morning. Went over to the Uber app, and for some reason, the delivery part of my Uber app was not there. So since it wasn't there, I was thinking, crap, what am I gonna do? It's like 6:50 in the morning and I'm in a Uber car and I want to do deliveries, but I can't do deliveries. So what happens? I had the app on and this request popped up. As soon as this request popped up, I just accepted it, and it was to go over to this hotel, and bam, I found myself going to the airport, and I just got myself back on the hang of driving people around. And it's different. Driving people is fun. Unlike packages, when you have packages in the car, they don't talk to you, but the passengers do. And today I've definitely met some pretty interesting passengers. Wow, I actually can't wait to drive for Uber again. It was actually a lot of fun. It was a whole lot of fun. This weekend, I think I will do a little bit of Uber driving, especially if it's raining. But if there's no rain in the forecast, I really don't want to be stuck in a car when I can be out skateboarding. I bet all of you guys want to know, so Jermaine, how much money did you make? How much did the rental car cost? Well, let's just talk about that now. So I rented the car a total of 4 hours, and the rental car was $21. Now, how much money did I make? I made $87.95. I was online with Uber for 2 hours and 7 minutes. Now I rented the car for 4 hours. So what happened to the other 2 hours? Well, remember when I did that first airport ride? Picked the customer up, drove them all the way to the airport. Well, when I drove back to the city, that was, I don't know, maybe 30 or 40 minutes of the app off. So the Uber time was not included there. And then I actually went to the airport again, and once again I had to drive back from the airport. And then once I got back to the city, I wanted to get food because I was hungry, so I had the app off again, and I was stuck in traffic and I had to drive over and get food. And then after food, I had to drive over and of course put gas in the car, and that took a little bit more time too. So not bad, 21 bucks for $87. So I guess we can subtract the $21 off of this 87. We subtract the $21 from the 87, I made $66.95. Doesn't sound like a lot of money, does not sound very glamorous. However, let's remember something. It was pouring, raining, and I also did not have a car this morning, and I went, got a car, and drove for Uber, picked people up, took them to the airport. There's no way I could have did that with a skateboard. I was just using a skateboard and did not have access to Get Around and the whole Uber app, and I was able to pick people up. I would not have made any money this morning. I would have just, probably watched YouTube videos or did something else. So this was still a positive day for me. I really like the fact I can go to the Get Around app and just like so, I can get in a car and start making money, especially on a rainy day. Right now it's not raining and I'm not in a rental car, and I don't think it's gonna be raining tomorrow. Chances are I may not be in a rental car, but maybe this weekend I'll be back out driving for Uber, making some Uber bucks. But anyway, I just want to wrap up this vlog. Today was fun. I'll definitely have more mornings like this. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, yo.